Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 48. In how many ways can 5 people sit around a circular table? Now, when you have 5 people, this simply means that in how many ways can these 5 people be arranged? In how many ways can 5 people be arranged? Now, since you have 5 people, definitely to arrange these 5 people, it simply means 5 factorials. That is 5 multiplied by 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 1, and this is equals to 120. So that means that 5 people can sit 120 ways around the circular table, because that is the number of ways by which these 5 people can be arranged. So the answer to this question is option D, 120. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.